Tired of fumbling with your wallet at Target? Let's ditch the plastic and learn how to breeze through checkout using the magic of Apple Pay. First things first, let's ensure your Apple Wallet is primed for action. Open your Wallet app. You should see all your added cards. If you don't have a card added yet, tap the plus sign in the top right corner and follow the on-screen prompts to add a debit or credit card. Make sure the card you want to use is set as your default card. You can change the default card in Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay. Now, let's head to Target. Once you're at the checkout, inform the cashier you'll be using Apple Pay. When the terminal prompts you, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment symbol. This is usually indicated by a wave-like icon. Your phone will automatically activate Apple Pay if you have Face ID enabled. Double-click the side button. If you use Touch ID, simply rest your finger on the home button. Keep your phone near the terminal until you see a checkmark appear on your screen, confirming the payment was successful. And that's it. You've just made a secure and convenient payment with Apple Pay at Target. Enjoy your purchases, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.